Sleep command delays the execution for given number of seconds or minutes or hours or days. If I type sleep followed by 2, if I type sleep followed by 5, you see what is happening? The cursor halted for 5 seconds. If I type sleep of 10, the default time unit it takes is seconds. Yes. Of course, you can specify hours using H, something like sleep 1 hour. It's going to sleep for an hour. Let me do Control C. You can say sleep 1 day, or you can say sleep 1 minute. Where do I use this sleep command? One major use case for sleep command is in batch programming. Let's say you have two programs. Let's say your batch window starts at 9 p.m. EST or US hours. Program 1, program 2, both start simultaneously at 9 p.m. But after completion of both programs only, you should start program 3. So you can use a sleep command here on a regular intervals of like 60 seconds and check if both program 1 and program 2 are completed. So generally you can write it here within this program 3 logic. There is no specific time for program 3 to start. The start of program 3 is dependent on program 1 and program 2 completion. It sleeps for 60 seconds and checks if program 1 and program 2 complete. If not, again sleep for 60 seconds and wakes up after 60 seconds and checks if both completed. If not, it again goes for sleep. This is one of the important use case for sleep command. That's it for this lecture.